So in this question, two positions of a dice are shown. When 4 is at the bottom, what number will be on the top? Okay, in this type of questions, there is a trick which you can do apply. I'll tell you that. Let me just go tell you that first. So let's take a dice like this. Okay, let's take 4, 2 and 6 are the numbers written on the dice. There's one more dice, not one more dice, the same dice, but orientation is changed. Okay, now you can see 4, 5 and 1, 4 and 5, let's say. Okay, you need to find the opposite sides numbers. Okay, how do you do this? You can do this manually, but it will take time. You need a lot of imaginations, but I will tell you a trick here, master trick. Basically, you need to identify which is the common number between these two orientations. You can see 4, right? From that number you need to go clockwise. Okay, so in this dice there is you have to go clockwise like this. So 4, then 2, then 6, right, like this. Okay, this is dice 1, means first orientation card dice. Then over here again you have to go clockwise only. Okay, this is very important. If you're going clockwise here, you have to go clockwise here only, here also. So you get 4, you have to write here 4, then 5, then 1. Got it? Now you just have to pair the first one, then the second one, then the third one. So these are the opposite pairs, 1 and 6. Okay, and then 2 and 5. And then what is the remaining number? 1 is done, 2 is done. Where is 3? There is no 3 here. You just write 3 here. Okay, 4 is there, 5 is there, 6 is there. So only 3 was missing. So you have to add, join 3 to 4. That's all. So 3 is opposite to 4. So these are the opposite sides. Okay, this is a trick which you can note down. Okay, I'll tell you one more example. We can apply this over here. Two positions of a dice are shown. When 4 is at the bottom, okay, now what will be the number on the top? That means they're asking 4 opposite. 4's opposite, what is it? That's what they're asking. So how do we do this? 1 is common, no? Go clockwise. Here also you have to go clockwise. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Then over here 1, 6 and 5. Okay, then 3 and 5 are opposites, 2 and 6 are opposites. What is the missing number now? 4 is the missing number. So 1 and 4 are opposites. Okay, so what is the opposite number of 4? 1. So answer is 1. Okay, let's take one more example. They're asking where is the invisible number in the two positions of the same cube. They're asking the invisible number. What is the invisible number here? 1 is there, 2 is there, 3 is there, 4 is not there, 5 is there, 6 is there. So 4 is the invisible number. They're asking where is the invisible number in the two positions of the same cube. They're asking opposite side. Opposite of what? See the options here. Opposite of 2, opposite of 3, opposite of 4, opposite of 5. Right? You have to say which, what is the opposite number of 4 here. So how do we do this? Take here 2 is common, no? So go clockwise. So you get 2, 1 and 3. In clockwise, 2, 6 and 5. Okay, 1 and 6 are opposite, 3 and 5 are opposite, then 4 will be joined to 2. So opposite of 4 is 2. Okay, option opposite of 2, option A. Okay, how do we do this? What will be the number at the bottom if 5 is at top? Okay, the two positions of the dice being are shown below. Okay, they're asking if 5 is at top, what will be at bottom? Okay, there is a cube like this. If 5 is at top, what is the bottom number they're asking? If this is the orientations of the cube. Okay, here 2 is common, no? Go clockwise. 2, 4, 1. Then here again clockwise. 2, 6 and 3. Okay, so what is the opposite number? 1 is opposite to 3, 4 is opposite to 6. What is the remaining number which is not seen here? 5. So just write 5 here. 2 and 5 are opposite. Okay, what will be the number below 5? 2. Got it? This is a master trick which you can apply for all the problems of the cubes. There's an even faster method, like there are like special cases. For example, this is the cube. Okay, let's take 1 2 3. Okay, then there is the same cube but different orientation. Okay, in this case you can see that 1 and 1 are in the same side, that is the top side. No, they're facing the same direction over here, right? So what you can do is you can connect uh, this 2 with 4 because it's of the same facing direction, and this 3 with 5. So hence 2 and 4 are opposites and 3 and 5 are opposites. Okay, you can conclude like this directly if the numbers are facing the same direction. Okay, another example would be this is 2 1 3 then 4 2 6. Again, see, 2 is facing in this direction, so you can just conclude that 1 is opposite to 4 and 3 is opposite to 6. This is just a shortcut way. Okay, special case. You can apply master method also, but I'm just telling you for faster calculation. Okay, then there is one more special case where let's say there's a cube like this, then there's one more, not the same cube, different orientation. Okay, but two sides are common. Okay, they have shown it like this. Okay, now here 5 is also there, 6 is also seen. Okay, so what you do is you just cancel 5 5, 6 6 you cancel. Okay, what is remaining? 1 and 4. So 1 and 4 is opposite, that's all. You can directly conclude this, but you cannot find the other opposite sides in this case. Okay, this is a special case. If two things are common, two faces are common, you cannot find all the opposite sides. You can find only one. Whichever is the remaining one which is not common, that will be the opposite sides. Okay, hope you understood that. And suppose there's one more case like this. Sorry, four two six 4 6 5. Now in this case, okay, in this case everything is you can cancel 4 4 6 6, so 2 and 5 are opposites. Okay, got it. If they show you same phase, okay, like for example if they show you 1 2 3 here, and if they show you same 1 2 3 in a different orientation, then you cannot find any phase or any opposite phase. You just have to cancel everything and you'll get nothing. Okay, so you cannot find any opposite phase in this case if everything is same. Okay, one this trick can be useful when statement based questions are being asked. For example, I'll write the statements here. First statement is 2 4 and 6 are adjacent to each other. Okay, this first statement. Second statement is 4 5 6 are adjacent to each other. Okay, we need to find opposite of let's say 2. Okay, we can find only one opposite pair in this case, one opposite sides, right? Let's see this one. 2 4 6 are opposite sides, are adjacent to each other, so it can be like this 2 4 6, or it can be like this 2 4 6, or it can be like this. We don't even know this. 2 4 6, it can be anyhow, no, we don't know the exact orientation, just the statement is given here. And this 4 5 6 also, it can be anyhow. I don't exactly know the orientation. So in this case, what you can do is you can apply that logic which I told you. If it is the same side, you can just cancel it out. 4 4 is the same side, so let's take that cube here. 4 5 and 6. Okay, you can just cancel 4 here, and then you can cancel 6. Okay, remaining what, you just have 2 and 5, so 2 and 5 are opposites. So this is how you can directly use that trick. If master method is not working, you can use this, just cancel it off, and the remaining one will be the opposite side. And here you can only conclude only one opposite side, you can't conclude the other opposite sides.